Kerry Siders attended Texas Tech University and earned his Master's of Science degree in crop science from the Davis College of Agricultural Science and Natural Resources in 1989. He began his career in 1990 as the extension agent for pest management for the Texas AgriLife Extension Service in Castro and Lamb County. Then switched gears in 1993 to become the county extension agent for agriculture in Floyd County. In 1995, he moved to Terry County to be their county extension agent before moving again in 1996 to become their extension agent for Integrated Pest Management through the Texas AgriLife Extension Service in Hockley and Cochran Counties. He has been in this current position for 26 years. With Kerry's advisement and support, farmers in Hockley and Cochran counties have planted over 384,000 acres of cotton and over 15,000 of peanuts in the past decade. And his education of row crop producers in his assigned counties, combined with his emphasis in weed management and integrated pest management, has helped ensure the success of boll weevil education, which has had a multi-million-dollar impact in his counties. Along with his field accomplishments, Kerry has 44 professional presentations under his belt, presenting at regional, state, and national meetings, as well as 20 scientific publications he has co-authored. Kerry understands the importance of being involved in his community and his role as an educator, and is involved in multiple committees in his area, including the Levelland Chamber of Commerce Agricultural Committee, the High Plains Cotton Advisory Group, the West Texas Agricultural Chemicals Institute Board, Plains Cotton Growers Grain Sorghum Producers Board, and the United Cotton Growers. He has been recognized for his achievements dating back to 1991, including being awarded the Levelland Chamber of Commerce Agricultural Person of the Year in 1999, the Outstanding High Plains Cotton Agent Award for Plains Cotton Growers in 2003, and the Distinguished Achievement Award for Extension Agents for the TCE Specialist Association in 2007. Kerry married a fellow Texas Tech University alumni, Mary, who graduated with a Bachelor's of Science degree in Restaurant, Hotel, and Institutional Management in 1990. Together, they have one child, Riley, and they enjoy living in the same city as Kerry's mother, Barbara, and spending quality time with her.